Hey everyone, every year we do an updated design of 2 Signet ring tops for a client of ours in Texas. One of the rings they create is for the NCHA, which is the National Cutting Horse Association. This particular top was one that we updated for their president of 2019. We've helped our client over the years by originally creating the ring top and each year doing minor changes. Because we've been using the same model, our client only pays a small fee for the labor and the printing to have the tops updated. No new design fees. This is how we are able to save our clients money in the long run. Another aspect that helps greatly in allowing our clients to save money is we are able to cast using their metal. As long as it's not scrap filled with solder seams and different carat metal, we can clean it right up and get the casting coming out just about perfect. No need to order new casting grain. If you are a store who has a piece they end up ordering over and over again, contact us. We'll look over everything and get you an estimate to have the initial design made and give you a breakdown of what it would cost to have additional pieces made. No more need to pay the high markups for ordering one already made. Feel free to contact us over at mooresjewelers.com. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment and thanks for watching.